Hare Krishna. So we are on the 8th and the 9th verse of the 5th chapter of Gita entitled Karma Yoga, Action and Krishna Consciousness. Krishna says that a person who is completely engrossed his mind, senses and consciousness in yoga, in pleasing me, even though he might be acting from each and every sense, he doesn't generate any karmic results. He says, Naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manyeta tattvavit pashyan shrunuvan sprashan jighran ashnan gachan shvapan swashan pralapan visrajan grihnan unmishan nimishan api indriyani indriyartheshu vartanta iti dharayan. A person in the divine consciousness, although engaged in seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, eating, moving about, sleeping and breathing, always knows within himself that he actually does nothing at all. Because while speaking, evacuating, receiving or opening or closing his eyes, he always knows that only the material senses are engaged with their objects and that he is aloof from them. So we see the Tattvavittu Mahabaho. So Tattvavit, who is a Tattvavit? A Tattvavit who knows that the objects of the senses and the senses are different, and he has nothing to do either with senses or their objects. Tattvavit व्यक्ति कौन है? जो जानता है कि वो न इंद्रियों से संबंध रखता है न विषय वस्तुओं से संबंध रखता है, वो तो आत्मा है, न वो इधर का है न उधर का है, वो अलग ही है। सो जब ऐसी अवस्था में वो पूरी तरह से सशक्त होता है, then whatever he does, even though he might be working with his every sense, we see Krishna practically names all sensual activities. Pashyan, to see, yes. Shrunvan, to hear. Sprishan, to touch, yes. Jighran, to smell. Ashnan, eating. Gachan, going. Suvapan, dreaming. Shwasan, breathing. Pralapan, talking. Visrujan, giving up or evacuating. Grihnan, accepting. Unmishan, opening. Nimishan, closing. In whichever way all our indriyas might be engaged, he does not, even though all of his indriyas are actively engaged, na eva kinchit karomiti. There is not even a slight bit of karmic result that is incurred, provided it is yukta manyeta tattvavit. He is using all of them in pleasing the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This is where we fail, you see. Even in animal kingdom, they are quite regulated. Srila Prabhupada beautifully says, अगर एक शेर एक हिरन को मार के खा लेगा तो वो उसकी भूख जितनी है उतना ही खाएगा। वो ये नहीं सोचेगा अरे 4 दिन के बाद भूख लगेगा अभी थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा खा लेता हूँ। नहीं, अगर एक चिड़िया या कबूतर उड़ रहा है, उसको नीचे दाना दिखेगा तो वो अपनी भूख के हिसाब से 5-6 दाने खाएगा, जितना भी है। वो स्टोर करके नहीं लेके जाएगा कि अरे शाम को भी भूख लगेगी। लेकिन हम अगर पिज्ज़ा बना होगा तो हम 2 की जगह 4 खाएंगे और पैक करके लेके भी जाएंगे। Yes. Even with procreation, we see even snakes, cows, cattle, everyone, they have their own breeding season. Only in their breeding season they will come together. Otherwise they will be there but they will not come together. Human being, he will come together morning, afternoon, evening for sense gratification. So we fail to use the senses that we have. It is like एक व्यक्ति के पास में लैम्बोर्गिनी सुपर कार दे दी गई, लेकिन उसे वो चलाना नहीं आता। सुपर कार क्या है, भूम, तो वो करके लेके जाएगा, वो एक्सीडेंट करेगा क्योंकि उसको कंट्रोल करना नहीं आता। So living entity in this human form of life is this supercar. We are actually riding Bugatti or Lamborghini या Ferrari. This human form of life is Ferrari, the best that we can get. Yes. But then उसको ले करके अगर F1 वाले भी चलाते हैं तो F1 वाले हमेशा ही फुल एक्सीलरेटर पे नहीं चलाते। The driver wins the race depending on the control that he has on the car. It is not that he is just sitting with full accelerator throttle pressed. No, depending on how he maneuvers the steering, the brakes, the gears, everything together wins him the race. So even with the best machine in his hand, unless there is control, there is sure to be an accident. So we have this best machine with us, a human form of body. But unless it is yoga yukta, unless its activities in sensual platform, mental platform, intellectual platform are controlled and in Krishna's service, we are sure to come to meet an accident. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna